Hi, we are looking at function notation. So I picked just a few here to hopefully give you a hand if you need it. For this one here, I had a lot of students get this one wrong on my test. We're plugging in the -2. So it says g of -2 instead of g of x, so that means every x you see, you plug in a -2. Now, if you don't put parentheses, you very well may get the wrong answer. This is supposed to be a positive 18 and a positive 18, and this, my dear friends, is a positive 4, because this is saying I want to take x, whatever it might be, and multiply it by itself. So -2 times -2 is positive 4, and 18 plus 18 is 36, and then plus 4 is 40. So 40 is my answer. All right, let's look at this one here. This one says, could you please plug in 0 for x on this function? So I end up getting positive 1 over -1, so that's -1 when you divide 1 divided by 1. When I plug in a -3 here, I get -3 times -3 is 9. -9 times -3 is positive 27, and 18. And then I need to multiply that by 2. So let's see, 27 plus 18 plus 9 times 2 is 108. So -1 plus 108 is 107. Oh my gosh, I missed that this was a negative. Shoot. Caca. So this was positive 54. Times 2 is 108, but then this was a negative, so it's supposed to be -108. So sorry. I'm glad I made my fix. So -108. 109. Alright, for this one here, we want to figure out what was x that would make this equal to 3. So x plus 1 over x minus 1 is equal to 3. So, there's lots of things that you can do. Basically, you have a fraction that you probably don't like, and so if you multiply by the denominator, it will go away. And then you have something that should be pretty simple. So x plus 1 equals 3x minus 3. I need the x's all on one side, so I'm going to keep them positive, so I'll move the x over here. The 3 minus 1 is 2. I move the 3 over there, which gives me a 4. And here, when I have 4 equals 2x, for some reason, lots of my kiddos are getting this one wrong. Divide by 2. You're getting x by itself, so the 2 is what you need to move. And so then that would be 2 as our answer. All right, last one in this section is this. Here, I am trying to figure out when this is equal to 0. And so I just need to factor it. So I'm finding two things that multiply to get 18 and combine to get 9. So what, 6 and 3? Negative times negative is positive. Negative plus a negative is -9, sorry. So again, I was multiplying to get the top and adding to get the bottom. So x minus 3 and x minus 6. And either that has to equal 0 or that has to equal 0. So if this does, that's 3. If this does, that's 6. So those are the answers.